Hello everyone, welcome back. So I hope you all are keeping fine and safe. As in the other video, we were discussing about RBI Grade B examinations and we were discussing the MCQs for economics set. We have already done up till 10 and in this video, we are going to carry on from question number 11 onwards. So see, my screen is already visible, I guess, to you all. And we have question number 11 in front of us. And the question says, according to RBI, what is the maximum permissible limit for recurring transactions across merchant payments? Option A 2,000, option B 4,000, option C 10,000, option D 1,000, and option E 7,100. So for merchant payments, the recurring transactions amount, the maximum amount is rupees 2,000. Okay, we'll mark the answer, and of course, I'll give you knowledge about this. The RBI, which is the Reserve Bank of India, permitted processing of e-mandate on credit and debit cards for recurring transactions. That is for the merchant payments with a cap of rupees 2,000. Now, the RBI added that no charges should be levied or recovered from the cardholder for availing the e-mandate facilities on cards for recurring transactions. Now, this has been done keeping in view the changing payment needs and the requirements to balance the safety and security of the card transactions with customer convenience also. The direction is applicable for transactions performed using all types of cards. That's a debit card, credit card, and prepaid payment instruments such as the PPIs, including wallets also. Okay? But the maximum amount will definitely be 2,000 only. Okay. Now moving on to the next question we have in line, that is question number 12. In October 2020, a night of trial of nuclear-capable missile Prithvi-2 successfully conducted from a test range in Orissa. The Prithvi-2 missile is capable like carrying warheads of how many kgs or kilograms? Option A, 200 to 700. Option B, 300 to 800. Option C, 400 to 900. Option D, 500 to 1000, or option E, 600 to 1200. The correct answer, that is, the Prithvi-2 missile is capable of carrying around 500 to 1000 kgs of warheads. Now, let's mark this answer, and then we'll definitely come to the discussion of this. Okay. See, the night of trial of nuclear-capable missile, that was Prithvi-2 successfully conducted from a test range in Orissa. And the Prithvi-2 missile is capable like carrying 500 to 1000 kg of warheads and is powered by liquid propulsion twin engines. Okay. The 9-meter tall Prithvi was the first missile to have been developed by DRDO under the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program, which is the IGMDP. Okay, so a lot of information being given about Prithvi-2, but the carrying capacity is 500 to 1000. Okay. Now moving on to the next question in line, question number 13. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh dedicated how many bridges made by Border Roads Organization across 7 states and union territories to the nation through wide conferencing in October 2020. We have 5 options again. Option A 11, option B 22, option C 33, option D is 44, and option 5 is 55. And the correct answer is again option number D, that is 44. So we will be marking this answer, option number D, which is 44. Okay. And definitely coming to the discussion of this answer, see, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh dedicated 44 bridges made by Border Roads Organization across 7 states and union territories to the nation across through video conferencing on 12th of October 2020. These bridges are built in border areas of Ladakh, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, and Jammu and Kashmir. The foundation stone for Nechifu Tunnel on the road to Tawing was also laid in this. And there are questions which I see coming from the states. On which states were these roads built or the bridges built? So I'll repeat it again for you. It was built in the states of or border areas of Ladakh, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, and Jammu and Kashmir. Now we'll move on to the next question in line, question number 14. In August 2020, Army Chief General Manoj Naravane conferred the Chief of Army Staff Unit Appreciation to how many Special Action Groups of the National Security Guards? Option A 35, option B 43, option C 49, option D 51, and option E 58. C. Army Chief General Manoj Naravane conferred the Chief of Army Staff Unit appreciation to 51 Special Action Group of the National Security Guards. It was conferred in recognition of the group's outstanding achievements in combating terrorism. They had performed outstanding achievements in combating terrorism. The group draws 100% of its manpower from the Indian Army and has established itself as an elite counter-terrorist force, earning many gallantry awards. So the correct answer to this is option number D, that is 51 number. Okay. Next, moving on to the next question, question number 15. Bank of Ghana, which is the BOG, has been honored at the 7th Central Banking Awards. Who is the governor of BOG? Jerome Powell, Harvish Kumar Sigolam, Philip Lowe, Dr. Ernest Addison, or none of the above. Okay. The correct answer, that is who is the governor of Bank of Ghana, is Dr. Ernest Addison. Okay. We'll mark the answer and yes, I'll give you some information about this also. Dr. Ernest Addison is the governor of Bank of Ghana. The Bank of Ghana has been honored at the 7th Central Banking Awards. The governor of Bank of Ghana, who's the Dr. Ernest Addison, received the Central Bank of the Year award on behalf of the bank. Okay. The annual Central Banking Award, now in their 7th year, recognizes excellence in the central banking community. The Central Banking Award trophies are made of suitable and sustainable materials also. So he's been awarded accordingly, and definitely that's a great honor. Okay. So the correct answer is Dr. Ernest Addison. And then we move on to the next question in line, that is question number 16. In September 2020, who among the following has been awarded the Gambit Award by Kerala Culture Minister A.K. Balan? Akitham Achyutan Namboothri, Amitav Ghosh, Krishna Sobti, O.N.V. Kurup, M.T. Vasudevan Nair. Okay. And the correct answer is option number A, that is Akitham Achyutan Namboothri. Okay. Or we famously know him to be A.A. Namboothri. Okay. So Malayalam poet Akitham Achyutan Namboothri has been awarded the Gambit Award by the Kerala Culture Minister A.K. Balan. And Akitham is the sixth Malayalam writer to receive the award. The ceremony was held at his residence, that is, his residence is termed as Devayanam. Okay, adhering to the COVID protocols, this award ceremony was conducted. Akitham was selected for the 55th Gyanpith Award announced in November 2019. The reward includes a cash prize of rupees 11 lakh and a bronze sculpture of Goddess Saraswati. He was honored with Padma Shri also, the fourth highest civilian award of the Government of India in 2017. He was awarded so. Gyanpith Award is the highest literary award of the Government of India. It was awarded annually by Bharatiya Gyanpith to the Indian writers, and it's a great felicitation. It's a great award. Okay, so the correct answer is option number A, that is AA number 3. Okay, now we move on to the next question. Question number 17. In September 2020, whom name has been announced by the Maharashtra government for the Grand Samragni Lata Mangeshkar Award for 2020 to 2021. So, see, we have 5 options here again. Vijay Patil, Usha Mangeshkar, that is the smaller sister of Lata Mangeshkar, Shankar Mahadevan, Alka Yagnik, or Udit Narayan. We have 5 options. The correct answer is the person who has been announced by the Maharashtra government for Gyan Samragini Lata Mangeshkar Award is Usha Mangeshkar. That is option number B, Usha Mangeshkar. And on September 28th, the Maharashtra government announced that veteran singer Usha Mangeshkar has been honored with the Gyan Samradhini Lata Mangeshkar Award for the year 2020 to 2021. And the award carries a cash prize of rupees 5 lakh and a citation has been constituted for the felicitation of the senior vocal artists and the contribution. Usha Mangeshkar, as I told you, is the youngest sister of Lata Mangeshkar. The 84-year-old singer's selection was unanimously done by a committee headed by the State Culture Minister Amit Deshmukh. Okay. So the veteran singer has sung songs in Marathi, Hindi, and several other Indian language films, and she's very renowned in her field. Okay. So we come to the answer, that is Usha Mangeshkar is the correct answer. Next, moving on to question number 18. When is the UNICEF Foundation Day celebrated every year? Option A, 8th December. Option B, 9th December. Option C, 10th December. Option D, 11th December. Or option E, 15th December. Correct answer is 11th December, which is option number D. Okay. Now, UNICEF Foundation Day is celebrated every year on December 11th, that is 11th of December, every year since the United Nations General Assembly created UNICEF on the same day back in the year 1946. Okay, so this is a very special day. The program was initiated to provide supply assistance and to improve health to children after the Second World War, World War II. In October 1953, the UNGA extended UNICEF's mandate indefinitely to assist the vulnerable children. Okay, so the date is very special and is remembered very honorably. It's 11th of December. Okay, moving on to the next question in line. Question number 19. In August 2020, the Directorate of Cashew Research, that is the DCR, launched a Cashew India app for farmers. This institute is located in which of the following states? Gujarat, Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, or Andhra Pradesh. And we all know that it's Karnataka because cashews are famous in Karnataka. Okay. So we'll mark the answer. The Directorate of Cashew Research, which is the DCR in Karnataka, has launched a Cashew India program or Cashew India app for the farmers' chief. Okay. Now, what's the use of this app? This app would provide information related to the crops cultivation, market data, and research for stakeholders, including the farmers. The Directorate of Cashew Research, which is the DCR, is located at Puttur in Dakshina Kannada district in the Karnataka. The app is in 11 languages and can be downloaded from Google Play Store itself. A multilingual app, it is available in Hindi, English, Gujarati, Marathi, Kannada, Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu, Oriya, Bengali, and Garo languages. Okay, so this app is developed for the states including Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, West Bengal, and Meghalaya. So many times questions as such also might come that for which states is this app developed for? Okay. So then the correct answer is the states that I just mentioned. I can repeat that also. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, West Bengal, and Meghalaya. Okay. So as of now, the correct answer for question number 19 is option number C, which is Karnataka. Now we'll move on to the next question in line, question number 20. In October 2020, the World Bank, that is the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, IBRD, issued an AU of $150 million sustainable development bond for how many years? Option A, 7 years. Option B, 10 years. Option C, 12 years. Option D, 15 years. Option E, 22 years. And the correct answer is option number D, that is 15 years. Okay. So the World Bank, which is the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, IBRD, issued a 15-year AU $115 million sustainable development bond. Nippon Life Insurance Company is the sole investor in this transaction. The World Bank bonds supports the financing of the sustainable development projects and programs in member countries across a range of sectors in line with its mission to end extreme poverty. Okay. So the correct answer is option number D, that is number 15. Okay. So yes, we are done with question number 20. Do follow the previous videos that are already made up to question number 10. And in the next videos, we are going to discuss from question number 21. So do refer to them if you have any confusion. The answers are clearly explained there, and I hope you won't be having any problem or trouble in following them. Okay, so thank you for having me watch so long, and stay prepared. All the best for your exams, and do keep watching. Thank you.